Good morning. How we do this? I got to work on the skid loader today. Supposed to get a big snow tomorrow, and I have trouble with the starter on this thing. The solenoid's sticking down here someplace. Oh, there. See the starter right there. Solenoid's up in there behind them filters. I'll take the filters off, probably take the starter off, then take the solenoid off, get another, make sure the starter's good, and while I got it, I'll just go take it off and just make sure it's good while I'm at it. And I don't know, you can almost see one of them bolts that I got to get to. So I'll try to get to it here and see what I can do. Unhook the battery first. So I got some wrenches. And I thought, well, while I'm at it, got my SK sockets there that I bought about 50 years ago. Might as well shine them up a little bit. Alright, I'll get to work and shut this thing off for a minute, because can't hardly show you me loosening the bolt when I'm standing in front of everything. There ain't room enough, so alright, that's enough for now. Alright, made some headway, got the filters off with no trouble. Got in there, it looks like I got room to work. Alright, I didn't get this thing back together yesterday. Got my new solenoid, got it put on. And we're getting some snow. Anyhow, this camera died on me yesterday. Oh yeah, I don't know where you can see it down there. Yeah, looks like it. The ring gear and everything looks good. And I got to put the filter back on. But I didn't get this done yesterday because when I got home from hauling that load equipment home over there, somewhere, a guy come and bought a Wisconsin engine, another guy come and bought a plow, and by that time I was about done for, so I didn't get it done. So I'm going to finish it. Alright, shut this off and get back to work.